everybody, welcome to another Saturday Scribbles video. In this video, I'm going to show you one way to make a dot mandala. Now, I highly suggest you watch my mandala video from last week because it goes into more of the technical techniques for how to make the circles and how to do it with the compass and without the compass. And really the only difference between the mandalas that we did last week and the ones for this week is that instead of solid lines, you just use dots. You can have your dots spaced far apart. You can have them really close together. You can color them in. You can leave them hollow. You can make it whatever you feel the spirit moves you to do in the time. And I chose to do my version in black and white just because it's easier for you to see and it's more concise looking and it makes me happy. But you may have seen these kinds of mandalas on the little painted rocks. So you can definitely do that with this project. I wanted to do something that wouldn't require you to go outside to get anything or use any materials that you may not have lying around. And I would say most of us have a pencil and or a pen. If you have a marker, that's even better. But anyway, the main thing is you can do this painting. You can make the painted mandala rocks. They're very beautiful to look at and they're really nice if you put them in your garden, or you can hide them in the park somewhere, unless that's illegal, and then don't do that. I think it's okay though. So yeah, just make your little dots. And I missed a section whenever I was doing my dots, and I didn't notice until I was editing this video. So if it bothers you, I'm very sorry. It bothers me, so I feel your pain. But I kept my dots pretty small because, again, at the time, that's just what felt nice to do. But I've seen where people really crowd the different circles in, and it still looks amazing and it's mesmerizing, honestly. But I wanted kind of a space vibe, and so I was thinking about stars and just, you know, the cosmos. And if I'm not mistaken, that's where the dot mandalas come from, is more representing of the cosmos. So that makes sense. It was relaxing. I didn't really notice at the time. Of course, I notice now, but it's fine. So, as with all of these drawings, don't focus on making things look perfect. You're doing this for you. You're doing this to give yourself a few moments of peace and a few moments of mindfulness. So don't worry about all the little details. Don't worry about perfection. Just do what you enjoy. Another thing to note, and I said this in my first mandala video as well, is you will have to, I mean, you don't have to, but I'm assuming you will go back and erase your pencil markings. So make sure everything is completely dry. You don't want to smudge and ruin it for yourself. And this is the completed work. You can see all the dots and the little circles, and I erased all my pencil markings and it was fine. I let it dry for about 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching.